yeah. So line up the holes with the pegs.
Yep.
And then latch them.
You got that one?
Okay, what's step 2? You can just flip to the next one.
Once you have them aligned, close the latches between each section. We did that.
Yeah.
Step 3, push down to ensure the seats are fully folded down and then unfold the seats into an open position. With the back rest still on the ground. Got it. Okay.
Okay, Eli, come over here.
And the seats perpendicular to the ground.
Just get a shot of this.
How the backs look.
Okay.
Cool?
Yep.
Okay. You're fine. Then slide one arm in at a time using the alignment pins and holes as guide.
Okay, I'll start here.
Get ready.
Okay. And then this one. Okay.
And then close, step 5, close the levers in between the armrest, each backrest, until the lever is closed to flush with the back seat.
So that's this.
Close those levers, yep.
Wait, no, I think it, hold on. No, can you stand over there, please? And push the end of the couch.
Yep. Got it. There you go.
See, this is part of the problem. See how this thing is always, from the first assembly, these things pitch out a bit. I think that's part of the problem.
Oh yeah, you can tell if you get down low. Eli, can you take a video of just down, like, get down, and then you see how it goes up?
Yeah, well, in any case.
Okay, that's fine. Keep on going up.
Okay, what's the next
Stand
step?
up. Okay, so that's step 5. Step 6 is connect the arms by closing the latches. Close this from the bottom. So close these latches. Close the bottom latch first, then latch on the sofa the same way you connected the seat cushion. Okay. You got all those?
Yep.
Okay. Step 7, securely attach the legs to the bottom of the sofa with the included thumb screws. Make sure they're tightened. So
Okay.
we should do that.
So the leg goes on the corner.
Yeah, I just figured that out. Yeah. There's, I can't, this is bent?
No, the leg goes on the corner.
Oh. Still,
Bent.
that's part of the problem. This screw is too short?
No.
Okay, fine. Try it.
That, actually, hold on a second, that looks misaligned. Stop.
It does.
Bent.
Yeah, this doesn't look like it's properly.
Oh, that's, yeah, that's the other problem I was having. Perfect. Thank you.
Do the legs go on the outside? I can't remember where these go. If they go on this, I think they go on the inner. Do you see what I mean here? I mean, does it go here or here? I think it goes here.
It goes lower on the look. It goes on the inner.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay, Eli, you can stop.
Now that the legs are all on, after step 7, we're going to go to step 8, which is the USB. It's already in.
Fine.
We're fine. Step 9. Gently place your sofa in the upright position. It's best to have 2 people.
Okay, you come around to this side.
Okay. Where should you want me?
Sorry, it's best to have 2 people. What? Lift the sofa one at each end. Okay,
Yeah.
so go on that end.
And then Eli, where do you want it? Where should Eli be?
He's videoing.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Eli, can you come over here or down there and take a video of this? So as you can see, there's a bow in the sofa. It's not straight, it's bowed in.
And this bow will get considerably worse as people sit on the couch because there is a flawed structural issue with the couch where weight in the middle increases the pressure here. You can already see that this is loose, and it is not a result of people leaning on it from here, but from people sitting on the couch.